In a unique collaboration, Aston Martin and J.Laverack have introduced a truly remarkable road bicycle, the J.Laverack Aston Martin .1R. This exceptional creation has brought together the best of both worlds: high-performance automotive design and cutting-edge bicycle engineering. Crafted with precision, the .1R features parametrically designed, 3D printed titanium lugs seamlessly combined with sculpted carbon fiber tubes, setting new standards for elegance and beauty in the world of bicycles. The .1R boasts clean lines and an innovative, visually boltless design, where not a single cable or hose is visible, offering an unparalleled level of integration. Every owner gets the opportunity to customize their .1R. You can match it with your Aston Martin car, selecting color palettes and trim choices available for both. The J.Laverack Aston Martin .1R comes with bespoke tools and an exquisite wooden tool case for those who appreciate craftsmanship. Under the lacquer, the .1R features beautifully engineered metal badges, just 40 microns thin, with the same process as the Aston Martin Valkyrie. The .1R includes one-of-a-kind Era components, 55 wheels, tailor-made chainrings, and a specifically commissioned Brooks C13 saddle, among other unique components. This bicycle is more than just a work of art. It's a perfect union of innovation and tradition, bringing beauty and functionality together in every detail. The J.Laverack Aston Martin .1R is not just a bicycle, it's a masterpiece on two wheels. Witness this remarkable creation at Rouleur Live in London on Thursday, November 2nd. A celebration of cycling culture and craftsmanship.